Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and no, I'm not naked. Just FYI. So today I was feeling a little spontaneous and wanted to try a different color of the rainbow. So I decided to do this green eye look. I literally used like 3 colors. Yeah. No, 4. And I used it from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yes, I know, controversy, not vegan anymore. I get it. If you have alternatives to the colors that I'm going to show, by all means use those. But this is all I have at hand because we are quarantined. We're not supposed to leave the house. Yes, do your online shopping, but a lot of people have lost their jobs. People don't have money. And I need to save what I can just in case if something happens in the future. Because this coronavirus, shit's getting real. You know, people are dying. People are getting sick. We're at 70,000 people who have died in the last, 3 months? So this is what we're working with today. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So face is done. Well, I did all the cream and powder. I set my face. All right, so we're gonna move into the eyeballs. I'm feeling a little adventurous, and yes, we're gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. Sadly, it's no longer vegan, which is, I don't really have any other eyeshadows that are this extravagant. I'm gonna stick with this palette for the time being, momentarily till I, you know, whatever. So I'm going to start with the color Enlight, which is just this light color, and we are just going to pat it all over the lid. I'm going to use a mirror. Just setting. It's got a nice sheen to it, won't deny that. Next up, we're going to go in, should I go blue or green? What am I feel? I might go with the green. I might, actually, no, we'll go with the translucent color, which will be Pukey. So I'm just going to go in with a 228 Zoeva brush. And just, you know what? Let's get close and personal. So that's the transition color. Then we just get like a little flat brush, and we're gonna go in with that color. Jada? Ooh, there we go. That one. I did consider using concealer to cut crease, but because the color is so pigmented, it's pretty good. I'm just using the Zoeva 231. It's just a little brush, and just feather out the edges just a tad. And there's no product. And then if you feel like you've rubbed off way too much, you just go back in. And then with the brush that you did with the transition color, just go back in with a little bit of product, just to make sure that it's nice and clean. Actually, kind of feeling the color. So those are the eyes. It did get down a little bit on the bottom, but that's all right. All right, so next I think I'm going to do is a little bit of the color Pool Party, which is that one just there. Use the same little flat brush. Make sure you tap it off and that gives a little bit of sheen, but I'm going to put a bit of highlighter. Actually, I'm just going to use the one I have here, which is the Becca Champagne Pop. And just with that brush that I did the blending, just because. Get a pencil brush. I'm gonna go with the transition color. I'm just gonna rub it on the bottom. And then just get a fluffy brush with no product. And just this one, which is called Central Park. Oh, I got it in my eye. Kinda blend it out. And I think I'm gonna add some liner. I do have a bit of fallout, which just with a clean brush. Wipe away whatever you can, and then if all hell breaks loose, just go in with some concealer. Alright, so we're gonna get down and dirty now. Just gonna put some liner on. I'm just gonna go with this Rimmel Exaggerated liner. Probably gonna have to do this off camera because, let's be honest, I suck. So, now that the liner's on, it ain't perfect, let's be honest, but we're in quarantine, so who the hell am I gonna go and impress? We're gonna just bronze the face. I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil with a brush. Setting spray. I do like to add it before I put lashes and highlighter and mascara. So how's the quarantine life? Australia, we're okay. I think today we've got like 35 deaths, which still isn't a good thing, but you know, it kind of sucks that so many people are dying. I think we're at like 70,000 around the world, which is crazy. If you're at home, good. You know, you're protecting yourself and others. But if you're not, get your shit together. I called my mum earlier today, and she went for a walk. And she was close to the beach, and she was surprised to the amount of people that are at the beach. I thought they were like maybe like international students. Maybe they don't understand English. I mean, this is happening all around the world, but it turns out to be a whole bunch of Aussies. Come on, you know, you're risking everybody's life, even your own, and it's just ridiculous that people just can't stay at home. Just for, yeah, it's gonna be a while, but if you do it, we're gonna shorten the time. We're gonna save a lot of lives, so. Like, what are you doing? Alright, I'm just gonna go in with just a NYX pencil, Suede matte lip liner in the color London. Never been. I'm just gonna get a little bit of concealer. And that, my friends, is the final look. I'm just gonna get you a little close up. I did put eyeliner to cover the lash glue. Please excuse the nails. I'm not wearing my ring because, well, we're at home and yeah. So, I'm actually really liking this makeup look. Like, this is, I really like the combination of like that reddy brown lip. It's not too dark. Yeah, I'm actually feeling it. Too bad. Well, actually, I am going out. I need to buy milk because you're only limited to 2 cartons of long life milk. And because I have 2 kids, well, they like their milks in the morning and in the afternoon. And because I'm trying to bake, you know. So, should I leave my hair like this? I think slicked back looks pretty good. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button, which is down there somewhere, you know where it is. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. I might do a blue eye look next time. Maybe try, you know, the whole rainbow. I can do yellow one day, I've done the green, I can do the blue, I'll do a purple, I'll do another pink, you know, because I'm not going anywhere. And nor should you, okay? Stay at home, be safe, keep your family safe, eat, exercise, just keep moving. I hope to see you guys in my next video.